Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I have this. It's the work lunch bag for men, 14 cans, tote bag, whatever, and it's the carrying case, and it's a little lunch box for men kind of thing. And let's check this out and see how it is. I'll show you here. This is the tag for it. So if you're interested in getting it, that's it. Can't remember the brand. I don't know. It says it on here, but I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up from yourselves if you're interested. And let's check it out. So let's see. So it's like it clips on here. It's got this clip, like this little metal clip right there. Or plastic. Let's see. I guess it's plastic. And let's see how it is. Oh, it's a big one here. So let's see. It opens up. And oh, this is nice. So this is the bag here. You see, it's got the little kind of the shiny thermal kind of stuff in it there. It's kind of padded, and it's just one big compartment in there, which is nice. And it folds up like that, so then you can carry it with the handle there, which is very nice. It's a little carrying handle. And I kind of like this here because I've been using this one here. If you check this one out here, you see this one here. Problem is, when I put the water bottles in, they stick out over the top, so it doesn't zip closed unless I put them directly in the center. So if I try to put them on the side or something like that, they're no good. But in this one here, it's gonna have no problem fitting the water bottles in, and it seems like it's about the same width there, so you're gonna be able to fit, and probably if I bring a whole lot, I could probably put 2 cans high at least in there. Absolutely no problem putting 2 cans high in there. You can kind of see how it is in there. You see I've got 2 in there, so I can put lots of sodas, lots of beers, whatever it is I wanna drink, and then it'll close up top like this, like that way, or if I see it's got the little, I guess it's got magnets that kind of keep it closed there and on the side. So then there it's closed with the magnets, or if I have, if I push everything down in there, then I can close it up like a lunchbox and carry it like this. So this one's pretty cool. So this is a nice little lunchbox. I could like it a lot. And it's gonna be able to fit my tall stuff and lots more quantity than this one here. And this one here just really makes so much noise, and it lost its, it leaks. So this one here is a nice new one I got. And so if you're interested in it, I'm gonna put a link in the description. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And this is what it looks like, and it seems to work pretty good. It seems like it's got a waterproof interior on it and got a good thermal padding on it. So this is good, so I like it. So far so good. I'm gonna take it next time I go out. I just was out today using this one because I didn't get this one yet. So looking forward to trying it, and I'll put some details in the description if there's anything to worry about with it, but it seems really durable, really well stitched, and pretty good. So looks good to me. It's like a nice waterproof and thermal one with the magnets that close. It does everything I need it to do. So I'm giving this 2 thumbs up and look forward to it. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more reviews soon. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.